Just snow and silence. A phone, still completely dead. A Mercedes S-Class left to rot in this wasteland. What happened here? Don't worry, beast. Now I am here to wake you up.
It's time to wake you up, my beast.
There you are, hidden away in this tomb.
Time to see what's left of the heart.
Cracked to the core, but the structure is all here. Everything can be saved.
Years of decay. First to go.
The leather is thirsty, soaking up every drop.
There it is.
The true color. The true color. Buried but not gone.
The point of contact, this has to be perfect.
The dashboard, you can already feel the luxury coming back. Sat here for years, but it needed the same love.
Even the back, nobody sat here for years, but it needed the same love.
Deep, clean, complete. The soul of the interior is back.
No paint, it's just pure rust underneath. This is incredible. It's all bare metal, no shortcuts here. We're starting from the absolute foundation. Let the chemistry do the work. Break it all down. Clean to the bone. A perfect blank canvas of rust.
Phase 1 complete. The shell is ready. Now we build from rust.
There you are, naked, raw, and perfect. Now the real work begins.
The fender is the worst, a deep crease. The door is just pushed in.
Good adhesion. The rust holds the stud perfect.
Give it back to me. Slowly.
Structure restored. The lines are true again. Ready for the grinder. Glory red. The formula has to be perfect. 1 ounce off and the depth is gone. Pattern is perfect. Flow is even. She's ready for the canvas. And so it begins, the first layer of life.
One coat down. The personality is already back. It's no longer abandoned, it's awakening.
Good, no runs. The flash is even. It's accepting the color perfectly. This is where the depth comes from. The light starts to sink into it, not bounce off.
Color is laid. The body is clothed. Now it needs its armor.
The clear is not just protection, it's the lens. It's what makes the color come alive and stay alive for days. First clear, this seals the color forever. No going back now.
Fully encapsulated. The color is now protected, isolated in perfection.
Good flash, surface is clean, ready for the final glass.
And it is done. From rust to resurrection.
This is the layer that gives it the depth. The pool of glass, the finish is flawless. No contamination. Now we lock it in with heat. The transformation becomes permanent. Cure complete. The paint is now harder than steel. It's no longer just paint, it's armor.
Watch the reflection sharpen. It's flowing out, then gelling. The chemical chains are linking. Initiate cure cycle. The polymers will now cross-link under heat. This is where the paint gains its strength and hardness.
Starting with a test spot, we need to cut the orange peel but not burn through the clear. This is the most critical step.
The cutting stage is all about patience. Overlap each pass by 50%. Let the machine do the work.
Orange peel is gone, perfectly flat. Now we have a uniform haze to remove. That's where the gloss comes back tenfold.
Microscopic scratches we just created, leaving nothing but perfect clarity. The depth is coming alive.
There it is, mirror finish. The paint is no longer on the car, it's a liquid shell. The beast is not just awake.
This isn't cleaning, this is feeding it. Bringing back its oils, its life. The most touched surface. It has to feel as good as it looks. Perfect grip, perfect sheen. Apply, absorb, buff. Never let it dry, that's the secret. You're left with the nourishment, not the product. No corner left behind. Every inch deserves the same revival.
And now the heart matches the shell. The beast is not just radiant on the outside, it's alive on the inside.